Welcome everyone to the Coaster Spot. This is Alex, and I had to redo the intro because I lost some video, and that's why the park tour is going to be a little delayed because I actually need to go film some stuff tomorrow that for some reason didn't transfer. Hopefully that's the only thing that didn't transfer over the last 4 months. I'm freaking out now. But anyways, let's go inside, show you all the updates, the new restaurant, the new painting, and how our day went. So first I'm going to complain about a goose.
Stop everywhere, you dude, you have to stop pooping everywhere, guys. Can you just poop on the gravel? It's nice there. No, they didn't, little poopers. You're old enough to know now not to poop on the freaking walkway. Damn poopers.
And we lost another clip, so let's talk about Paradise Pizza and Grill. But first, history here. Great Adventures Water Park Hurricane Harbor is 26 years old now, so understandably, some of the infrastructure and stuff is starting to need some renovations. And just like Great Adventures original restaurants, they decided to do this to Paradise Pizza and Grill. And inside, I love the theming. I don't know what it looked like before, but I think some things were definitely added, and it just really goes with the whole Caribbean theme that the whole park has. And I just love this, and hopefully more of the infrastructure gets this and some of the theming aspects and maybe some upgrades and all that stuff, but you'll see them in a moment of everything else they've done to make the park look fantastic. But let's go talk about the food.
All right, we made our way around the park for the most part. Did the both Reef Runner and Big Bamboo. Always fun time. And we hit up the Bada Bing, Bada Boom, Bada
Bang, bang.
Bang, Bang.
You can scream and the seer's stuck in here.
Oh no, just got a clogged ear. That was always fun. That's always one of my favorite ones, really it is. In the dark, unexpected turns, all that
This is
stuff.
my favorite thing here.
Yep. Oh, I was about to talk about that in a minute. Then I did the falls. It was a little rough, but not too bad. And then we did Hurricane Mountain, the double tube slide, which are the boring ones. I forgot that the fun ones are only single. Then we did the toboggan slides, which are always fun. And especially when you get a bunch more people together, not just the two of us.
Yeah.
And then we got the corn that I'll show you before it was eaten, and it is fantastic. Pizza was okay. Corn 8, pizza 5. Tenders always a 9, and the mac and cheese not very cheesy today, so I'd say that's like a 6 today. All right, one little update to the park is everything looks absolutely fantastic. We'll show you that everything's been painted in the last 2 years. The only thing that needs a paint job at this point is the entirety of this playground area, the slides, the steel, everything like that. The buckets have been replaced because they were irreparable. But other than that, it does need a little TLC. We'll show you all the other slide towers really quickly. Oh, and the tornado. Tornado also needs it. I'm assuming they haven't done the tornado because that is a lot of surface area. So I imagine the tornado is actually pretty expensive to repaint and very inaccessible to do the hanging portions of that tornado. So hopefully that gets done next year, and then we'll have a fresh looking water park as far as all the slides go. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day here. The crowds are not too bad, but not, light in any means, but great day. Love Hurricane Harbor on a day like this. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It was a little cold in the lazy river with the wind, but other than that, fantastic day. Great to see that the falls are back open. They were closed for a majority of last year. If you didn't know, every single slide tower staircase actually had to be replaced. And the falls were the one that took the longest by far. So I didn't even get onto it last year. It wasn't ready for opening day, and I kept watching, and it seemed like it went until at least July or so until that was open. So great to see that's back, and it looks better than ever with the new paint job and everything. Looks great. As we mentioned, this is the one that needs a paint job, but it's not too bad. It's just now looks worse than it actually is because all the other ones look fresh and shiny and everything. All right, this slide tower was painted last year. Looks great still, but one of the slide towers of 2 that were painted this year is Hurricane Mountain. This was added in 2001, so it's celebrating 25 years. It was added the year after the park opened when they realized they desperately needed a lot of capacity, and they went big with this one, adding 6 slides and that toboggan slide, which I believe can sit up to either 4 or 5 people. So yeah, it's really cool. And then it looks so fresh. It was looking really worse for wear, and now looks absolutely fantastic.
And finally, the last improvements of the 2026 season that happened over the winter were that Big Bamboo and Reef Runner, the family raft slides, got repainted, and they look absolutely fantastic. Original colors, as every slide has gotten. No changes to any of the color schemes, which I really wouldn't have done, other than maybe the falls. I just feel like that was just a little too 90s, 2000s looking. But other than that, everything looks fantastic. All right, I didn't lose this clip. I just didn't do an outro. And I think it was just mainly because there wasn't too much to update you this year. You know, I usually only do one update a year of Hurricane Harbor because it doesn't change that much compared to Great Adventure, which seems like there's something you can show every couple of weeks, especially right now with everything that's going on to transform the park. But Hurricane Harbor is definitely going through a transformation right now. You know, as I mentioned, it's 26 years old. Stuff needs to be repainted, and everything has been. All the water slides look fantastic, aside from Discovery Bay water playground for the kids. That just needs a fresh coat of paint. And there's been stuff that's been broken on there for 10 plus years, and I'd like to see redone. It'd also be nice to see the little squirters that go on Hurricane Mountain, the two toboggan slides, if there can be repaired. They haven't worked in years. But other than that, you know, there's not much really to talk about Hurricane Harbor. Good operations, everything was open, aside from two kids slides. And it just is, we're waiting for a new update here. I think it's time for them to get a new water slide tower. They could always use it during the peak of summer. So there's that thing. Like, it's like, yes, let's do this. Let's do like a dueling water slide, water coaster, you know, with two sides and everything like that. Gets with some good capacity, or even maybe like a mammoth type water coaster, the round tubes where you can put 6 people on it. Something with really good capacity. Because if you do a water coaster at this park, it's just going to have really long lines. But it definitely could use it. And it feels like the Northeast is the one place that just hasn't really latched onto the water coaster that much. It would be nice to see more. Especially like the two Six Flags parks in the Philadelphia region. But we'll have a tour out in 2 days. So that's probably already out right now. But again, love Hurricane Harbor. Probably going to go in tomorrow to hit those shots and probably go around the Lazy River a couple times because why not? It's so relaxing in there. But yeah, I'd love to just see the improvements to the theming, maybe even enhance it to improve it from what it was back in 2000. Unfortunately, I never saw the park in its heyday, and I wish I had. There are the pictures on Great Adventure History that really show how much theming there was around it, and it's all kind of just dissolved over the years. I don't think much needs to be done, but it'd be nice for another round of improvements to go around this park as they're improving Great Adventure. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Alex. Bye.